Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am going to use the Amber Allure sticker book from Rongrong to decorate the last week of September. Once I get into October, I'm just doing straight Halloween spreads in my planner, which I've been doing a lot of Halloween spreads recently because some of my patrons requested some, and I was doing like some mock spreads. So I'm excited to do some Halloween spreads for myself because they always end up being some of my favorites. So this is going to be the last fall themed spread, I think, for a bit. Yeah, because then we hit November. I guess I can do some fall ones in there too. But yeah, for a whole month you won't see fall themed spreads anymore in my planner. But I'm going to use this sticker book right here because it is a fall inspired sticker book. It's really pretty. I really love like the colors in here, and I like the little like photos. There's some cool like, oh, even the washi is good. Ooh, I'll have to use this washi. These are really nice. Like I really like the way this book is set up. I like these too. So yeah, I'm gonna use this book here. Ooh, okay, I'm already seeing stickers I want to use. Let me get, I think I'll be able to just use this book. Some wax paper. I like this. Fall is proof that change is beautiful. So I'm going to use that for the sidebar. And like, look, that little piece right there, just that little detail, I think it's really nice. I really like these little, they look like Polaroids. I'll use a couple of these. I really like this one. I'm just gonna pull all the things I really like. She's cute too. I don't know, I might pull her because again, it looks like a photo. Okay, got another one of these. I'm gonna, oh, this one's cute because it looks like a thumbtack is holding it up. And I got some boxes. Oh, that one's cute too. Ah, there's a lot of cute stickers. And then I really like these because they're just like quotes. So let's see, this is embrace change. Autumn leaves dance in the wind. I feel like I can layer a bunch of these together. Sweater weather. Love sweater weather. Okay. I want to use these too. So maybe some of these like plaid ones. These two. Maybe these two. Possibly. Let's see what else I got. As you can see, this book is very functional and decorative and kind of checks all the boxes, which is nice. You got some girls here. Okay, these are those. I think this is the only one I'm missing, but I think I like the paper ones for this. Have some of these like floral pieces. Okay, so I'm gonna need other pieces. Like I really do like these pieces. The like ripped newspaper look is cool. So let me pull these. This is cool too. You don't need tweezers to pull these off. They pull off very easily. This one. I don't think I want to put these. I feel like that'll be too much for this spread. Okay. think I have a good start for this spread. Okay, so first things first, sidebar. So I'll put this on the side. It's a little crooked. Okay, it is what it is. I don't know why I did that. It's so funny. Funny and not funny at the same time. Funny that I always manage to do that for some reason. Some newspaper piece right there. Let's see, do I want to layer these? No, not those. I might layer something else. And I do have little picture, nice fall picture right there. Cool. All right, I really like this piece. Okay, so I'm gonna put it over here. I'm just gonna lay it here. I mean, this you can use as boxes to write in. I'm gonna use it to like layer some things on top of too. Actually, let me do that right now. So let me layer a piece here. Some of this like newspaper print is cool. I think. Oops, actually no, this goes in the corner. Let me do another piece. Gonna lay it on top of here. Let's see how that goes. I think that's good. Take this off. All right, and then I did like this girl. I know I'm covering up like this box area, but that's okay. I don't have a busy week this week. I am actually going, the only plans I have are I'm gonna meet up with an old coworker of mine and we're gonna have dinner on Friday. So that's about it. It's like, oh, and I need to get an oil change on Saturday. And then that's about it. Just adding some boxes. I may add this. I'll probably add this one over here. I'm just gonna place it. So I know I'm gonna layer like a box with it. Oh, I can do maybe this one. Yeah, let me do this one here. I like how it has the little thumbtack. Oh, actually, let me go a little bit more this way. Can I get some newspaper bits over here? A little bit more over here. I think that looks really pretty. Okay, and then I have this one that says Embrace Change. Okay, I ended up, let's see. Am I gonna put this washi? Yeah, I think I am. Okay, I think I'm gonna do this just in a couple places. So here, and then let me get my X-Acto knife, a little ruler. Okay, just making sure I'm still filming because, yeah, likes to shut off on me sometimes. I really like this orange one. Okay, it's like that, or it's more of like a burnt reddish orange color. Okay, I need some of this, like, whatever that is, like swatchy looking thing. Let's see, maybe stick some over here somewhere. Trying to decide if I like that. Haven't decided yet. This one's not bad, but it's paper. Well, actually, it doesn't look bad. Okay, I kind of like that better. There. Cool. I feel like fall colors, just everything looks good in fall colors. It just looks pretty. All right, so I need functional stickers. So let's see, what did I say? Okay, so Friday I'm going out to eat with my friend. So I can write that in here. I do want to add in some checklists because I really like these. Actually, let me see if there's any more. Okay, I have these two. Oh no, sorry, 3. And I have some bullet points. Okay, so let's do the brown one. Thinking, let's do it here. Since I covered this checklist up, I do want to put a checklist over here to make up for that. I mean, it's Friday. Actually, do I want it Friday or Saturday? No, I like the way it looks on Friday, so I'm gonna leave it on Friday. I feel like Saturday is just gonna be me waiting for my car to be done at the, well, if I get an appointment, yeah, to be done at the dealership. That's probably gonna be my Saturday. Fun times. Just gonna put this one here. I'm gonna go from the top down. Perfect. Okay, and then I do have bullet points I can add. Oh, look how cute. These are like little thumbtacks. I don't think I saw any more of these. These are super cute. I could add them to the boxes though. Like I can do one here. That's cute. I'm gonna save that one and do that to another box just to dress it up a little bit more because I like the way that looks. All right, I think I need, oh, this is cute. These. I just want to add this here because I just feel like I need more black on this side, so that one's gonna go there like that. I do have some leaves. Just want to layer. That looks pretty. There's some green ones. Oh, these are very fragile. Just gonna layer. Okay. Oh, there are more. Cool. There's more little thumbtacks. You can use those as bullet points too. But like I said, I think I'm just going to add them onto boxes as I need them. Let's see. Oh, and there's some more here. Okay, yeah, there's a lot of them. Okay, I think I want to use these smaller boxes. Let's see, I got a brown. I'm going to do brown over here. So you have this red color. I'm gonna do it here. Cute. And want another box maybe over here. Actually, let me get those little thumbtacks again. Oh, and I have headers. I like these headers. This one says, "Get it done." And I could do the thumbtacks as a bullet point. And then do this one. Get it done. Okay, so here's some more of those that I can use. These don't have any like white outlines around it, which is really nice. Like these are kiss cut. If you're familiar with that term, like it is perfectly cut around these stickers. Around the round, the circle ones. The other ones are, yeah, the other ones have, some of them have like a border, like white border, but those are like perfectly cut around the sticker. Okay, there's these like little torn paper pieces, which I think look cool, so I'm just gonna add a couple of these. There's this one that looks like it's got tape on the top. Okay, I feel like I have a lot on this side. Yeah, it's a lot. I'm gonna do it here. Okay. Okay, I think that looks pretty good. I think I want to add in just a few more quotes like these. So let's see what I have. This one's cute. It says, "But I think I love fall most of all." Okay, let's see if I can find anywhere to put this actually, because I got a lot going on. Once I like layer it. I do like the stacked look. I think that looks cool. So I can do another one over here. I would like it to look different. The leaves are changing. Cool. All right, I think that's it. How pretty is that? I love it. I love all the colors. I love all the different elements and just everything layered together. It turned out really, really nice. And I only had to use this one book, so that's always a plus in my opinion. So yeah, I'll have this link down in the description. Thank you so much for watching me create my fall spread for the week. I hope you all enjoyed watching. Oh, that affiliate link actually is a link that'll get you 10% off. So if you use my link, you'll get 10% off added to the cart. I believe it's like automatic. But yeah, hope you all enjoyed watching. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to see more, please hit that subscribe button. And I hope to see you in the next one.